Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a brand new project to work on. I'm so excited. I just received this Rushton Star Creations bunny. I'm not sure what her official name is, but she is so cute. I cannot wait. Here you can see her little Rushton imprint. She has been loved, as you can see. She's a little bit dirty. Her neck's a little floppy. Overall, her feet are in pretty good condition, and so is her little skirt, so we're not going to have to do too much. Here I am showing the feet again because I'm just so amazed on how good the felt held up over the years. There's no holes or anything. The stitching has held up a lot, so that's really nice to see. I actually didn't even know that she still had her tag when I was buying this, so I was so happy to see that. Time to pop her seams so that we can get her all unstuffed and give her a good wash. I did end up removing her tag from the inside because I don't want it to disintegrate or anything when I wash her. Time to unstuff her. She held quite the bit. I filled up 2 whole buckets with her stuffing. Next step is to give her a good bath. I'm making sure that I'm using lukewarm water. This mixture is just a mix of like detergent, a little bit of hand soap, and just gently washing it. Next was her washing time, and I did make a really big mistake here. You'll see it in a second. If you look at the feet, you can see this is the moment that I realized I messed up. The water was turning red, which means that her felt was actually leaking its ink. And I immediately took her out because we do not want that to stain her fur or her clothing or anything. I was lucky that I realized early before it actually stained anything, so here she is all dried. And as you can see, it bled like the tiniest bit into the clothing, but you know, mistakes happen. Here she is after I dried her. Now it's time to put all of her stuffing back in. I used a mix of polyfill and her old stuffing because her old stuffing was a little bit dense and, you know, stuck together, so I just wanted to make it a little softer. Her color came out so good and her fur is so much softer. I'm so happy with it. The last step is to get her face all cleaned up so that we can repaint. As you can see, I'm just fixing up some spots on her face that were missing. I always use this palette and this signature blue sparkly color for the eyeshadow when fixing up Rushtons. I just think it's so pretty and shiny. The tag is all sewn back on. And here she is all finished. I did add a little bow with a rose. Thought that would be a cute little touch. And yeah, I'm really happy with how she turned out. I think she's adorable.